We're going to analyze Coca-Cola and Pepsi as investments, and we're going to do it all in 90 seconds. You want to keep up with stocks, but you don't have the time to read a lengthy report on every company that interests you. You're busy. I get it. I respect that. So I took the most important considerations from my research and packed it into 90 seconds. Use this to decide if it's worth your time to research further, to keep up with stocks you already own, or to just check in with some of the largest companies in the world. Fair warning, I'm obviously going to go fast. So if you need to slow down your playback speed on YouTube, that's fine. Go ahead and do it now. Let's put up a clock and let's do this. Coke and Pepsi are both primarily known for their classic battle to be the dominant soft drink. As of this taping, they both have a market capitalization between $150 and $200 billion. They both pay dividends around 3.5%. They're both projected to grow about 14% next year compared to the industry's 11% and the market's 12%. So if you're considering investing in the beverage industry, who do you choose? Coke or Pepsi? That is the question. Here are a couple reasons you might prefer Coke. Although both maintain a fairly ugly debt profile, Coke's is quite a bit better, with a debt to equity of 2.3 versus Pepsi's 4, and earnings before interest and taxes about 84 times their annual interest payment compared to Pepsi's 11 times. Coke is also undeniably one of the most recognizable companies in the world. But here are a couple reasons you might prefer Pepsi. The company in the recent past has been much more efficient with their money, with an ROE of 45% versus Coke's 6%, an ROA of 7% versus Coke's 1%, and a projected ROE over the next 3 years of 69% versus Coke's 47%. Last year, both companies had negative earnings growth, but Pepsi's was quite a bit less, at negative 27% compared to Coke's negative 80%. By simple traditional metrics, both appear to be fair to a little overvalued. Pepsi's PE is 31 versus the beverage industry's 24 and the market's 18, compared to Coke's PE of almost 150. And with Pepsi's diversification into the food industry, the company's more insulated as people are buying fewer and fewer sugary drinks. Both companies seem to offer investors relatively similar valuations today and similar prospects for the future. And it shouldn't be forgotten that both are dividend aristocrats, having increased their dividend every year for more than the last 25 years. But if you had to choose, and not on taste, Coke or Pepsi? I look forward to continuing this discussion in the comments. Also, in that comment, let me know which of these stocks you'd like to see next. These are all the stocks that have been requested, and whichever gets the most votes in this video and in the previous 90-second analysis, I'll take it off this list and add it to the queue. And if you'd like to get another stock on this list, just let me know in the comments as well. If you found this helpful and would like to see more, don't forget to leave me a like, definitely subscribe and click the bell so that you can keep up with all the companies we cover as we continue to help you build your rapidly growing, highly diversified net worth. I'll see you in the next one.